This GMC Terrain delivers a turbo gas/ethanol i4 2.0 liters/engine powering this automatic transmission. Wheels, 18x7, 45.7 cm x 17.8 cm, silver painted aluminum. Transmission, 9-speed automatic 9T50, electronically controlled with overdrive, sunroof, SKYSCAPE power with power sunscreen. This GMC Terrain features the following options: license plate front mounting package, infotainment package includes, IOU, 8-diagonal GMC infotainment system with navigation, multi-touch display and AM/FM/Sirius XM stereo, U2K, Sirius XM satellite radio for 3 months, 4.2 enhanced display with audio, phone and navigation capability, UVB, HD rear vision camera, MCZ, 2 USB ports, located within the center console, MCR, SD card reader and KI6, 110-volt power outlet. Driver alert package includes, UKC, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, UFG, rear cross traffic alert, UD7, rear park assist and HS1. Safety alert seat also includes, DWK, outside heated power adjustable manual folding body color mirrors with LED turn signal indicators. SLE preferred equipment group includes standard equipment. Sirius XM enjoy 3-month XM Select Plus trial subscription with over 120 channels including commercial-free music, plus sports, news and entertainment. Free listening on the app and online is included, so you'll hear the best Sirius XM has to offer, anywhere life takes you. Welcome to the world of Sirius XM. Red quartz tint coat, liftgate, rear power programmable, jet black, premium cloth seat trim, engine, 2.0 liters turbo, 4-cylinder, seating, VVT, 252 horsepower, 188.0 kilowatts, at 5,500 revolutions per minute, 260 pounds to foot of torque, 353.0 Nm. At 2,500 to 4,500 revolutions per minute, engine block heater. Visit us today. Treat yourself. Stop by Laird Wheaton located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9 T3L3 to make this car yours today.